Hello guys, this is our place guys. Look at that very beautiful place. Our place here in Switzerland. Look at that. You can see the hard forest. This is the house for the old people guys. And that one is private house. Oh, there is swimming pool here in our canton, in our region. This is the private swimming pool. So for the kids, 7 Swiss franc for the entrance. You can come here, look at the, and you see the beautiful landscape of our heart forest. Wow, amazing, right? Please try to come here in Appenzell Ausserrhoden, Herisau. We have the best place, very calm. So let's continue guys. You see, nice flag from our country. Look at that. Because it's summer, so many people there, maybe around 10 people, that much. Very beautiful outdoor swimming pool. We have also indoor swimming pool in our Gemeinde, in our sports center here in Herisau. You can come here. Continue walking. So there are teenagers there along the way. They do vlogging also. They have camera there. Maybe they are YouTuber also. This is, I really like this forest. Behind of that is our ground. We have ground. So, sinikinay. I'm still walking, going to my house. Hoy, my friend, don't be stressed. The dog, the dog is aggressive. So mostly the people here, they are cleaning this time. They take on leave and do cleaning their gardens. So they are ready to accept their visitors because today is warm. Also, my husband, he said he wants to make leave for tomorrow because he wants to clean our house. Yes, my husband cleaning. He will do cleaning our house. I only do cooking at home and do my gardening. So we will pass in this side. Oh, beautiful, right? I will show you nice houses here. Yayamaning houses. Oh, because it's July now. So these people, they put flags. Most of the people here, their houses, they put flags. So I must be ready my flags to put in our garden. So this area is water reservoir. Inside of this, under the plant, is water. See, nice houses. There are also beautiful houses. Wow, wow, beautiful houses here in Hirisao. So let's continue. You see, the fences are like fence. We have roses, many plants. I'd like to do that in my ground in Philippines, but there are snakes in my ground, many snakes, so not possible for me to put that plant. Dangerous. Hmm. One, there is a water reservoir. We only make round. We pass by there, the oven upstairs. So, oh, we have cherry, oh, beautiful by the house. I like to do that. So, continue. We will pass there, here, in the staircase, like here. Especially in winter, I like to make video on this side. A lot of snow, and then the snow falling down on you. And here around, on top of the plants, there are snow. Very beautiful. Especially here, oh, beautiful, right? Then the trees, there are a lot of snow. That's what I like. I love it here. Grazie. Huh? No. Ja, das ist sehr schön. So now we are almost along the road. So this is public park. You can do sunbathing, playing for the kids. So now we are in the road. On the road, wow. This is beautiful. Mama with nice sports car. That one she owns that's why she have a lot of sports car because she own a car dealer. That's why their house is very beautiful. Look. Wow. So we almost in the main road. So we are in the downtown. So I have to be careful. Look left and right. Okay. Time to cross. So with the hair cutter. And so, welcome home for me. Our house. Our tiny house. So, welcome home for me. Stop here. Thank you for watching.